Hi, you guys, it's Melanie. Listen, if you love beautiful events, luxury designs, and seeing real transformations, you are going to love today's video. Because when I tell you it has been non-stop behind the scenes since March the 1st, I have been designing weddings, baby showers, corporate events, birthday parties, and I really have not had the time to edit every single video individually. And so instead, I decided to put everything into one video, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy this. This is a way that I can bring you all up to speed, and so that means that you're about to see multiple events, multiple designs, and all behind the scenes. The details, everything, all in one place. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't go anywhere because you are definitely going to be in for a treat. So stay tuned. Let's hop right in. So we kicked off the season with a gorgeous 75th birthday party. You guys, I absolutely love it. The color scheme was black, red, and gold. They had a live band. We wanted to do something different in terms of the focal point wall. So we did the Baroque draping in the back, and then we had the number 75 that I rented. And a lot of the elements from this party went viral. So I may do a separate video on this party, but I'll let you guys kind of vote down in the comments. The same weekend, we had the Jack and Jill pink and blue ball. It turned out absolutely fabulous. The theme was dreams come true and pink and blue. And you guys, it was amazing. One of the biggest setups we've done to date. The next weekend, we had our women's conference. I've already done a video on this one, so I will link it so you guys can go back to see the full video. I also shared some tips and ideas for setting up a charcuterie table or a grazing table using risers, and I gave a lot of pointers there. So you guys definitely want to go back and check out this video if you haven't seen it, or you can kind of refresh it for yourself, especially if you're planning like a family reunion, a women's conference, graduation party, baby shower, bridal shower, or wedding, and you want to do beautiful food on a budget. This is definitely the way to go. It turned out fabulous, you guys. And the next weekend, we had a baby shower, and the theme was like pink and pearls. And so, you guys, I absolutely love the way that this turned out. The draping, Greta did a fabulous job on it. The food, like everything. I'm just showing you guys the overview, but if you want to see more, you'll get to vote at the end of this video. So, if you want to see like a breakdown of all the baby showers, and like the DIYs that we did for it, things of that nature. You let me know at the end of this video what your top three was, and then I'll go in and remake kind of the videos for the top three events that you guys choose out of this particular video. So the ongoing theme for March and April has been like baby showers and birthday parties, and let me tell you, they have been so creative with the themes. And you guys know Adelie used to help me on Amazon. Then she had a beautiful baby boy and needed to channel her time and energy into her new family. And so he recently turned 1, and the theme for that birthday party, for his birthday party, was "You Are My Sunshine." And we DIY'd a lot of the things like the arches. We DIY'd the balloon arch ourselves. Our friend Trey made the centerpieces for the table. It was just so much fun. Adelie did a lot of the signs, she did a lot of the shopping, and we really made this like a personalized family event. It turned out super duper cute, you guys. We had such a blast, and the kids really enjoyed themselves. And it was just refreshing to do a very different theme for this birthday party. Now, after that birthday party, we had another baby shower for a returning client. Our client actually got married. We did their wedding like 2 years ago. And so she was having a beautiful baby girl. And we did an elephant themed baby shower. And it turned out so super cute, you guys. And it was at Lake Ida. So this venue actually sits on a lake. So the front part of the venue is like, a street, but then the back part is a lake. And so she did not want to be seated like in a specialty seat. So I just put the mummy to be sign on the back of her chair. The colors were fabulous, you guys. They were like a soft pink, purple, white, and then we added in like a taupish brown color to kind of blend in with the venue. We also played some really fun games, and this musical pacifier game was so popular. Then we recently had a 30th anniversary for a local pastor, and you guys, the colors were emerald green and gold. It was so fabulous. Oh my goodness. So you got to vote which of these events you want to see down in the comments below. You can pick 3, and then I'll go back and do like a full video on those 3. But I did want to get you guys caught up to date. As you can see, we've been extremely busy. Now, on top of that, I've still been creating content in my home. So I did like this Mother's Day pots and pan content where I did like the floral on the pots and pans, so it served as like a gift and a great little setup. And the awning, I found that at the Dollar Tree for $1.25, and I thought it was super duper cute. I've also been doing like graduation setups. Everything that you see here was included in a graduation kit that I found on Amazon for $5.99, and it also included the centerpieces and everything. So let me know down in the comments if you want the link to this. I'll definitely link it for you, but I thought it was an incredible deal, especially if you have someone graduating. I've also been finishing up my office space, and I know it's been a while, but I do have a full tour coming for you guys on that. And I've also been playing around with drapes, like different drapes, different designs, using one bar and as few drapes as possible. So definitely stay tuned for all of the exciting content that I have coming your way. All right, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed creating these events. Now, listen, I want to hear from you. Which event was your favorite? Go ahead and drop it down in the comments below. I love seeing what inspires you and what you are drawn to when I'm sharing this content. And if you've been watching and thinking, Melanie, I want to learn how to do this, I have got you. I got you. I absolutely love teaching and training others, and I have 2 upcoming hands-on classes where I will be teaching you how to design and decorate a full wedding or event from start to finish over 3 days. So this is real in-depth hands-on experience. I am not using you guys for labor. I still have my team in place. If you can't make it in person, no worries. You can also take my online course at your own pace. I have a self-paced course. You can find all of the information. All you have to do is click the link in my bio or in the description box, or you can scan the QR code on the screen to get started. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe so that you will not miss any more Lux for Less inspiration. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Are you passionate about event design and decor? Or do you find yourself dreaming of turning your passion into a profitable business? Well, if so, look no further than Lux Academy. Our online, self-paced, and in-person courses will provide you with all the tools, resources, and guidance that you need to establish a successful business in the wedding and event planning industry. From contracts and pricing to financing and branding, we have got you covered. With our Lux lectures, our labs, and our legacies, you'll gain the knowledge and the insight you will need to create beautiful backdrops, stunning centerpieces, and you will also learn how to negotiate and host client consultations. Join us at Lux Academy and turn your passion into profit by enrolling today. Payment plans are available. We also have free classes that are offered, so be sure to check us out at luxacademy.online.